In today's video, we're going to talk about evidence of income. Some of you guys don't submit your W2 document, you submit on your tax transcript, but NVC is still asking for evidence of income, and that is one of the questions I received from one of my viewer or subscriber. And then I'm gonna go over that question and then explain it a little bit. Just stay tuned, and I'll be right back.
USA Mon.
Hello my beautiful people, this is John from USA Mod, and welcome back and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. If you are new here, my goal is to help newcomers, permanent resident, and also US citizens regarding different topics, especially I-130 process, and then also any topic that will help newcomers to have a better life here in the United States of America. But today's video is about evidence of income. So I received a message from a viewer. I'm gonna go over that message in a second. Some of you guys who petition for a relative, you submit different document like a W2, tax return, which are financial document. Well, you will submit those documents to NVC. Sometimes they will accept your document, everything, and still ask you to submit the evidence of income. Some of you guys already been through that. You probably submit the right document. Some of you guys are in that situation, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what kind of document you're gonna provide as evidence of income. Okay, or maybe this video also will be useful for some of you guys who be in that situation later on. Okay, so here is the question that I received from the viewer. So this viewer or subscribers, or hopefully she subscribed to my channel. Her name is I think Rachel Jennifer. Here is the message. Hello John, my case has been accepted by NVC, but they still asking me for more evidence. Please, what does that mean? So that was the first message I received from this subscriber or viewer, and then I asked her what kind of evidence NVC is asking, and she replied, "I've submitted the W2, but they're still asking for evidence of income." So that's the question basically. So when NVC asks you for evidence of income after you submit on your W2 document or your tax transcripts, it just means that they want something that proves that you still bringing money in. Basically, you still have income coming in. W2 form, for example, if you're gonna provide a W2 form, it gotta be a W2 form from last year, basically, or the income you made last year. Okay, so now they want something like to prove that you're still making income this year. Okay, because as a petitioner, you're the one who's gonna be financially responsible for the intended immigrant once that person moves to the United States of America. So when they ask for evidence of income, one thing you have to know here is I don't provide any legal advice. And some of you guys who've been watching my videos for so long, that I don't provide any legal advice. If you want legal advice, you need to contact an immigration attorney or immigration lawyer. So evidence of income is basically a pay stub or pay statement. Okay, so let's say you get paid bi-weekly, you can provide 2 of those, or if you get paid weekly, you can provide maybe 3 of those. If you get paid monthly, maybe 1 will be enough. That way they can see that you're still making income. Okay, and again, it can be a pay stub or pay statement, or a letter from your employer. So that letter should have the company head, how do you call it, letterhead, I believe, on top, and also different information like the wage, the address of the company, all those stuff. So those are the information that need to be on that letter if you have to get a letter from your employer. Okay, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna put on the screen what exactly NVC recommend. Okay, because I didn't take a note. I just have those on top of my head, but I'm gonna put on the picture of whatever NVC recommend on the screen so you guys can see. Okay, so those are the documents you need to provide as far as evidence of income. Okay, so again, some of you guys already been through this, so you probably submit your pay stub or pay statement, or a letter from your employer. Everything was fine. Now to submit the evidence of income, sometimes if you don't see the field, all you gotta do is when you click on add document, you will see a drop box. You choose on the title with like evidence of income title, and then you upload the document and submit it. Okay, so sometimes if your MVC asks you to submit some document, this is kind of like a side note. If they ask you to submit a document, you don't see the title of that document in the drop box, you just choose order to upload that document and then submit it. So basically, that's what I want to talk about today. I think, like I told you last week, I think it's better to go over some of the question one by one to explain it in depth. So some of you guys can understand it. Again, I talk about this based on my experience and based on what I see on NVC website. I don't just come here and talk about something that I don't know, or just come here to lie to you. Basically, no, I don't have that time. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like it, somebody you think will benefit from it, you can go ahead and share with that person. If you do like the video, click on the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, well, click on the bell. If you want to subscribe to this channel because you like what you're seeing, well, you can click on the subscribe button. And also, if you want to support this channel, you can click on the super thanks below this video or any video. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in another video.
USA Monde.